Oh, that's a bigger one. Guys, this might be a good one. This is a good trout. Oh, yeah. This one might be a keeper. Guys, W in the chat. This one's got some head shakes to it, and it's got some weight. I just don't want to lose the son of a bitch. This is a big one. Might be dinner. Might be dinner. Might be dinner. Might be dinner. Oh, yeah. Nice trout. Nice trout. Nice trout. Oh, that might be dinner. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Oh, come on. I want you to see him. That's a good one. Look at, holy shit, I can barely lift him. That's dinner. W's in the chat. That is dinner. Old speckled sea trout. There you go. If you don't fall off. Come on, baby cakes. Come here, baby cakes. Trout. Another trout. Small one. What do you think? Too small, though. Another trout. Get him off here. Yeah, second trout. What's up, McCooey? There you go. Little trout for the boy, for the chat. Not quite big enough. Need to be 15. You need to be 15. Go tell your mom. Pig Tick, what's up, buddy? Got in a little late. Ross, what's up, bro? Got a fish already almost. Just started. First cast. Mackey's, what's up? JWow, what's up? W. Nice little day here in Tarpon Springs. R2D4, what's up? Got the drift sock out. Much better camera setup, guys, huh? Yeah, check. I'll pull it back and I'll show you what I got here. Nunchuck, what's up, buddy? Let's get a fish. Come on. Nice Good Friday. Took the day off, boys. Took the day off. Needed it. See what I'm using. Here comes a boat. Hear it? Coming right in front of me. There goes a boat. Do you have a spot lock motor? No. I've got a drift sock out. A drift bag that's slowing me down. I'll show you that in a second here. What's up, Tully Goat? Tully goat. I'm sorry, man. It didn't get delivered? We'll have to ask for a refund on that, Tully. I got the drift sock out. Come on, fish. Give me a bite. There should be trout all in here. I'll try the popping cork next. There's a bite. There's a fish. Got one right now. Ah, let go, let go, let go. Where am I fishing? Tarpon Springs, man. Howard Park. Beautiful place, easy to get to. Usually plenty of fish. Well, I had something. Look at that. What did to my bait? Freaking wrecked it. Missed him, missed him, missed him. Missed a lady. Got the old drift sock, works swimmingly. I gotta show you that. Yeah, walleye. I've never had walleye before. Do I ever go crawfishing? No, not around here. Oh, this is a comfortable kayak. A little bit of waves here, boys. Well, let's see. I'm gonna try the popping cork, I think. What's up, local Walmart? How you doing, buddy? Good morning. Come on, fish. Give me something. Might switch it up to a gold color. This dark isn't working right now. I'm using a power tube right now, R2D4. It's a Berkeley power tube, some of my favorite. The water is a little clear though. So this color is usually good for darker water. Or when the light, it's, you know, like, that was a good cast. When it's a little darker out, or the water's a little cloudy, they seem to like that. But I've got a shrimp I'm going to try on a popping cork next. We'll try that next. That's a little lighter color. Let's try that out. And it's shallow enough. I'm going to put this down for now. All right, let's try this other one. All right, we'll try something different. Then I'll go out a little deeper, I think. This one here, look at this one. This is a lighter color. It's a shrimp. Twitching shrimp. I'd bite it. How about you? What do you think? Try this bad boy out. This one you pop. It's a popping cork. Might go out a little deeper, guys. Give this a little bit more time. I'm gonna probably change that one jig out to a lighter color. See that? Makes it seem like there. See, there's the popping cork right there. This is a great. So that makes the splash on top of the water supposed to attract fish, and it usually does. We'll see. Just polite. What's up, buddy? R6 Reckless. How you doing, bud? Good morning. How deep is it? About 6 foot. All right. What's up, Augs Better? Dispolite, how you doing? Morning, Veeves. What's up? What's up, Veeves? A little slow right now. I might have to go out a little deeper. There's some crab pots out there, which naturally have bait in them to attract the crabs. So I'm gonna probably drift that crab pots a little bit, go that way. I'm gonna switch off to a white fluke on this other bait real quick. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna switch this other one. Hold on a second. Give you the setup here. Pull the bag out. All right, what do I got? Oh yeah, here we go. We're gonna get a white one on here. Where I'm at Howard Park in Tarpon Springs. Beautiful Tarpon Springs. All right, we're gonna try a white bait on here. Let's see how that works out. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Take this one off for a minute. Try it for a minute. What's up? I can't read that one. How you doing? Right after, where you at? I can't read it. It's too low on the screen. The sun's in it a little bit. All right, let's try this one out. Since it's clear water, we're gonna go just the simplest, just a little white fluke, just like that. See that one? We'll try that out. Let me move this pole. Pole right here. We'll try this one out. Let's see what happens with this. This should get something. Water's clear. There's a bite right there. Felt it. Got one. Ah, I dropped it. All right, this is getting some bites. I'm gonna go out deeper though in a second. I might just drift this a little bit more. Was it Wildcat? Wicked? All right, we'll do a setup here in a second. Let me get a damn fish first, though. Yeah, pinfish. Pinner. Pinner, chicken dinner. Need to get in some potholes. We're going to move out a little bit, guys. We'll show you the setup we got. Okay, put this away for a second. All right, here's the setup. All right, there's my camera holder. I made that. Well, not the device, but I made the pole for it. Welded it, a little drip hole in the wheel. And I got my Penn SS old school reel. Wicked, what's up? Then I got my newer Penn reel, St. Croix rod. This is just a Penn reel and a Penn rod. Works pretty good. There's the popping cork. There's my drift anchor. That's what's keeping me going slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out deeper, okay? I'm going to move here. I got to put this back. That works nice. Pulling the drift sock. Okay. Move this up here a little bit. I got an anchor as well if I need it. All right, here's the drift sock. I'm going to pull this in. This thing works nice. Yes, buddy. That works nice. All right. Get the old paddle out. Let's go. Let's move. Let's move. Here we go. What's up, Og 1313? Can't read the bottom one. I might move that camera back some. I might remount it. I don't know. We'll see. Obviously not right now. 1313. Is that Og? What's up? Whoa. Get my glasses back on. Oh yeah, looking a little deeper here. A little cloudier, which is good. Crab buoy. Crab buoy dead ahead. There's a crab trap. Make another drift here in a second. I'm gonna get up by these crab traps up here. Drift this whole thing. Waves from the boat. A couple more crab traps right here. Straight ahead. I don't know if we can see them yet. One right there. Dead ahead. These pinfish traps. They're not marked. Well, that one's got engravings in it. That's a commercial trap. This one up here looks like a new one. Alright, we're going to go out a little bit deeper. That crab trap right there. Yeah, it's a crab trap. That's a stone crab trap. It's a wood one. We're going to try out here. Alright, get the bag out. Oh, come on, bro. There's a boat. All right. Okay, stopped. All right, let's try the fluke again. Trying this one again. A little nice drift here. Tully go, didn't catch anything yet. Working on it. Let me get my glasses here. Hold on. Why'd your message get delayed? I don't know. Have to ask Vives. Way out there is Anklet Island. I don't think you can see it. Might switch back to that root beer. Little crab traps out that way a little ways. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, there's a, see that bite? That's a puffer fish. You see the back of him? Oh, it's gnawed out. That's a puffer fish right there that knocked him out. So, there's something out there. Boat out there. This white ain't doing much. Bunch of bait on the top here, it looks like. All right, I think I'm gonna, should I go with the dark? Ain't wanting this white one, I guess. Maybe you have to go to gold, huh? Gold? That might work. Poor connection, not that again. I'm gonna take another whack at it. connection back. Alright, this white one's not working too well, but it's got hit. Look at that. Right by the, got whacked. That's a puffer fish for sure. They got beaks on them, man. They can cut your finger off. So he whacked it. I'm gonna get my pliers out, because I'm gonna catch a fish here. I know it. So I'm gonna get my pliers ready. Where are they at? Right here. Alright, got those ready. Put those right here. We're ready. What kinds of boats going around here? Oh, I got some gulp shrimp I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try those. There's a bite. Yeah, those are gonna get some. Oh, there's a bite. Come on now, hit it. I gotta switch. This bait's just style. Look. He took him apart. He finally got him. He took off everything but the hook. Everything but the hook. We're gonna switch it. Took everything but the hook. This guy's fishing here too over there. So we'll see. We shall see. Let me get a gulp on here. Okay, this should do it. There you go, chat. This is gonna do it right here. Little root beer with the yellow tail. What's up, Fear? Thanks. I'm glad the stream's working. I had one poor connection. I need to catch something though. Pitfish. Nope, we dropped it. Dropped it. Well, at least there's something out here. Usually there's trout all through here. There's a guy fishing right now. He's not having much luck either over there. All right, boys. Look at this, lizardfish. Nope, squirrelfish. Squirrelfish. Good release. All right, squirrelfish. Squirrely. I'm gonna cast by this crab pot here. See if there's anything hanging on this. Off the back of it. Had a hit. Might go in a little closer. I don't know. There's some bait right here. There's bait right in front of the boat. See him sprinkling? You see him sprinkling on top of the water? That's a good sign. Tons of bait. I think they're sardines. Mackies, what's up? This connection better get better. This is a new phone and it should have a better connection. 5G my ass. And I checked the spot. It's supposed to be good reception here. That's why I went here too. Come on, Mr. Trout. Let's go. I might try one of these on a popping cork. That might be the ticket. There's some flashers out there. Damn, there's bait out there, man. There should be fish. Just saw one flash at the top. I'm gonna try a little closer, maybe. There's flashes out there, which is good sign usually. There's a bite. Come on, get a trout on. Something little. A little pinfish. Pinfish. I would save them for bait, but I don't feel like it. All right, Mr. Pinner. There he is. All right. Let's see. Get something real here. Thinking that popping cork. I might try that again. Last cast on this one. There's something. Got another one. Another pinfish, probably. Let's see what you are, buddy. Yeah, another trophy. Another trophy pinfish. Trophy. Well, there's pinfish. There's other fish. Sorry about that. Emotional damage hitting the kayak, buddy. Emotional damage. There's a bite. Come on now. Oh, there's bait out there. Jumping. Damn it. Just gotta see what they want to hit. There is stuff out there. Right by that trap. Boom, right by it. Boom.